Hi, I'm Dave Miersch. I'm Revelwood's Workday Adaptive Planning Practice Leader. Today, I'll be discussing a situation that a lot of us run into in a recent blog post from Michelle Song that details how to solve that problem. The issue is time syntax, and syntax within formulas specifically. How often have you run into a situation where you're creating a personnel model and you're using time syntax to reference different time periods, however, for the same month, you're getting a different output? Well, the issue is that whether you're using month this version month, or this year dot position of this month, you may get different outputs depending how your calendar is set up. Specifically, if your fiscal calendar is different than the quote-unquote standard calendar, which is our January through December calendar, you may get different outputs depending on how you structure your formula. So for more information on how to create these formulas correctly and solve your existing problems, please visit Michelle Song's blog post detailing time syntax formulas.